Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create basic keyframe animation in Premiere Pro. First of all, you have to create a text or an object. For this tutorial, we'll be using an object. Then you head over to your effect controls. You create some keyframes according to how you want your animation to be. You can adjust the position, scale, and rotation according to your preference. Right click on the beginning part of your keyframe and ease in, the end part and ease out. You can as well add some effect that you want, then create some keyframes on this effect. Adjust the settings according to your preference to suit your animation.